Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to General Santos International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. Voice calls with the use of mobile phones are still prohibited until the doors are opened. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as items may have moved during the flight. Check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific. It was a pleasure having you on board. We're happy to bring you closer to your destination. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintaying matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Maraming salamat po sa paglipad kasama ang Cebu Pacific. Hanggang sa muli.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Alan Bumagat and First Officer Ivan Salazar, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring these with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bins near the exits. Please seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pababa. Salamat po. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival crossing.
This is a cabin crew safety related procedure. Guests, please remain seated.